Kelsey Pontius. I'm an elite runner. I qualified for the Marathon Olympic Trials in 2020. After finishing, I had a plantar fasciitis injury. I tried everything under the sun, all kinds of boots, braces, a lot of different kinds of modalities and treatments. A lot of those treatments temporarily made it feel better, and then I would try to go back to training at full capacity, but then my symptoms would come back. I heard about Motion RX through another runner, and then I chose to go there because I knew that it was something that wouldn't just get me back for everyday health, but I knew that the goal would be to get me back at a full range of training. I never really in the program had to stop running completely, which for an athlete, I think that's extremely important. Being able to see progress at every appointment and in between appointments is essential, and see the light at the end of the tunnel, because injuries can be pretty demoralizing. So every appointment was one-on-one, about an hour long, so I felt like it was the perfect amount of time to talk about what had happened since the previous appointment, work on the new exercises, and then talk about a plan going forward until the next appointment. So if a runner was frustrated and having an injury, I would definitely tell them to reach out to Motion RX. They were amazing at knowing everything that a runner goes through and what are some of the demands about running. And that's something that I really loved, because I felt like the program was very individualized and catered to my end goal. Having an expert walk you through the process of what's going on with your injury and being able to isolate variables like I had to, and then a roadmap of how to get better. I'm super grateful for the Motion RX team, and I'm very excited to see how fast I can run now that I can tolerate a higher training load. And I'm curious to see how fast I can run against some of the best women in the country at the US Olympic Trials in 2024.